Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go over, I've had a few people ask questions about how easy it is to fly this new Mavic Air 2, and to prove that I'm going to have my nephew Cam. How old are you, Cam?
I'm 8.
He's 8. Fly the drone. So if an 8-year-old can fly the drone, you can fly the drone. So it's all set to go. So go ahead and take off. You got to hold it till the circle. Yep. All right. Here it goes.
Take
Back
off.
up a little bit.
The home point has been updated.
All right.
Please check it on the map.
Use that stick to go up. Nope. Go up. This stick right here.
Okay.
There you go. You're going to go up here to about 100 feet. And go ahead and fly out over the field there. Go more to your left or right.
Okay.
That's this hand. Pull that trigger over.
This?
This hand. Use that joystick to the right. There you go. Keep going.
Oh yeah.
You can go a little higher if you want. Okay.
Sorry, I killed Mickey.
So, as you can see, everything's under control. He's doing a great job. We're out here looking for the Charleys in the field next to the house here. They might be over the hill there. It's probably high enough.
Okay.
Just keep going. Oh, there's one. You see it? Go back to your left. Is that a Charley or is that a shed? Oh, that's a shed. Let's pull the camera up here and see if we can't find them.
Oh,
They're way over there. See if we can get over there. It might not because of the hill, but we'll see here.
what hill?
There's Charlotte. She's saying hi.
Whoa.
So right now you're what? 1,400 feet away.
Mm-hmm.
Still crystal clear even over that hill. So the AccuSync 2.0 is working great. And there they are. Feel like you're under control of that drone there, Cam?
Yeah.
Pretty easy to fly?
Yeah.
How many cows down there?
I'll count. About like 37.
37? All right. How about you bring it on back home now?
Okay.
So turn around. See where the house is? Fly right to us.
Wait. We know what's this.
That's the cherry orchard in full bloom over there.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think of that iPad resolution? Is that pretty clear? Clearer than the other drone, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. And there is our brother driving the quad,
Brian, yep. There he is driving the quad.
if you can see him. And, now what, Uncle Tom?
Why don't you fly across the road, see what's over there?
Okay. There's a car. Neighbors are over there.
Don't fly over the neighbor's house. Keep going straight. There you go.
And you can see over there, country dairy, it looks like.
You see the dairy over there?
I think that's country dairy. Probably. And then over here, you can kind of see some orchard. And then that's all that I know about. Now what, Uncle Tom?
Well, why don't you bring it back towards us and we'll try a quick shot. Show people how easy it is to do a quick shot.
Oh, as you can see, we can see the bonfire.
Yep, looks like your mom started the fire there, didn't she?
Mm-hmm. And we are selling tractors.
For those of you watching, today is Memorial Day weekend, or the Sunday of Memorial Day weekend, so happy Memorial Day weekend to everybody out there. Why don't you bring it right over us? Bring it right on down to us. You can turn around and watch it.
Okay. And,
Yep, bring it right down.
oh,
Bring it right down. It has sensors, so it's not going to hit anything.
oh,
Nope, down. There you go. Keep going.
and stop.
All right, right there. That's good. All right, so what we'll do is we're going to stop the drone video here, like that. And then press this, come over to quick shot. What do we want to do here? Let's do there's a power line over there, so let's just have it do a droney. What do you want to do, like 390 feet? That sounds good. Droney. And we're going to make sure that it's set to 4K footage here. Camera, 4K. Okay, that should be good. Now, what we want to do is, where are we on the screen here?
I honestly don't. Oh yeah, we're right above us.
Yeah, that's okay. So,
So
what I'm
that-
going to do is bring the camera down here.
To exactly.
Perfect. Now, see that plus?
Mhm.
Right here? Press that plus button.
Okay.
No, right here. With us. Press it. There we go. It's got us locked on. Now hit start.
Start. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
So it's gonna, it's droney, so look up at it and wave.
Now there's it.
Start recording, so let's keep waving. No, you can stop waving.
Okay. I was like,
So yeah, it's gonna go away and make a droney out of us. I guess it's gonna, instead of a selfie, they call it a droney. So you can see it's doing the percentage of the shot over there. What is it at?
I'm 65.
65, all right. So at
Now
100, it'll stop and it'll come right back to us.
Now it's at 81. Now 91. And 100.
No, returning now.
I honestly cannot see it.
It's coming back.
Oh yeah, I see it. Just went over a school bus. I mean, did not go.
I don't think that's a school bus.
Oh, yeah, how come it looks like that?
I think it's for a farm.
And probably.
All right, see, it's returning right back to its position where it started. You want to do another one?
Nah.
You good? All right, so you want to land it then?
Yep.
Okay, so you know what you do? Press the return to home. And we want it to return to home. So press and hold it. Press and hold it.
Go home.
All right, so here it should come land right where it took off.
Landing.
We weren't recording the video.
That's okay. No, I'm recording on the GoPro.
Oh.
There we go. How about that? How easy was that?
Easy.
Easy? You think anybody can do it?
Yep.
There you go. So if you're having questions about whether or not this drone is easy enough to fly for you, you say you're just getting into the droning thing, you haven't flown a drone before, this is really easy. It just takes a little bit of practice and some patience and maybe some YouTube videos of how to do things, and you should get it figured out. So if you like this video, give it a
Thumbs up.
if you like this channel, want to see more stuff like this.
Subscribe.
All right. Until next time, guys, stay adventurous.
Bye.